Welcome to EPOS Direct, the world's favorite point-of-sale software, trusted by thousands of retailers and pharmacies worldwide. Today, we'll walk you through a live demo of our pharmacy POS software, designed to make your business faster, smarter, and more profitable, while ensuring total accuracy and compliance. Let's start with the clock in, clock out feature. Staff can securely log in and out using their user code, swipe ID, or password. Once the details are entered, click OK, and their name appears at the top of the screen. It's an easy and reliable way to track employee working hours, ideal for managing pharmacy teams and shift schedules. Logging into the software is simple and secure. Once logged in, your pharmacy's product categories and subcategories load instantly. Clean, dynamic, and easy to navigate, allowing you to access products, prescriptions, and over-the-counter items in seconds. And billing, select a product, and it appears instantly on the billing screen. You can adjust quantities, scan barcodes, or add items manually, all within a few clicks. It's fast, intuitive, and built to keep your queue moving efficiently. If the wrong product is added, simply delete or void the line, ensuring every transaction remains accurate and compliant. Smart Search and Stock View. Need to find something quickly? Use the Smart Search tool. Scan a barcode or type just a few letters to instantly locate any product. You can also view real-time stock levels, so you'll always know what's available on your shelves and what needs reordering. You can also sell miscellaneous items using the MISC VAT or non-VAT options, perfect for items like health products, cosmetics, or non-prescription items. Applying discounts couldn't be easier. Offer them by product or across the entire bill. Set percentage or fixed value discounts, and record reasons for transparency. Perfect for running promotions or rewarding loyal customers. Payments are quick and flexible. The system supports all currencies and denominations, clearly displayed for your staff. Integrated with all major payment providers, EPOS Direct ensures every transaction is seamless, fast, and secure. You can take orders from existing customers, search instantly, or add new ones. The system remembers customer details, addresses, and order history, ideal for repeat customers and delivery tracking. You can also place orders on hold and recall them later, ideal during rush hours. Managers love our quick admin tools, view real-time takings, X and Z readings, and end-of-day reports with full cash, card, and petty cash tracking. Total accuracy, zero stress. Close your day confidently. With clear cash and card totals and a full audit trail, you'll always know exactly where you stand. To exit, simply click the Logout button. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. We're here to support you 24/7. Our teams care. We earn trust.